Hello, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about marketing automation, streamlining your marketing efforts. Here's a detailed course along with topics to be covered in each section. Section number 1. Introduction to Marketing Automation. Marketing automation is a transformative strategy that empowers businesses to streamline and optimize their marketing efforts through automated processes. By utilizing specialized software and tools, marketing automation enables organizations to create, schedule, and deliver personalized content and communications to their target audience across various channels. This approach not only enhances customer engagement and satisfaction, but also maximizes operational efficiency and effectiveness. Through the power of marketing automation, companies can nurture leads, deliver timely messages, and tailor experiences, ultimately driving higher conversions and ROI. This module will delve into the fundamental principles and benefits of marketing automation, setting the stage for a deeper exploration of how this technology can revolutionize your marketing initiatives. Now let's move on to the next section, that is, building the foundation. Building a strong foundation is essential for successful marketing automation implementation. This module lays the groundwork by guiding you through the process of defining clear marketing goals, understanding your audience's needs, and mapping out their journey. By segmenting your audience effectively and setting measurable KPIs, you'll establish a solid framework for designing targeted automation workflows. This module equips you with the strategic insights needed to align your automation efforts with your business objectives, ensuring that every subsequent step is built upon a well-crafted and purposeful foundation. Other one is selecting the right marketing automation tools. Selecting the right marketing automation tools is a pivotal decision that can significantly impact the success of your automation endeavors. In this module, you'll explore a comprehensive overview of the leading marketing automation platforms available in the market. Delving into the critical factors to consider, such as scalability, ease of use, integration capabilities, and pricing, you'll gain a clear understanding of how to evaluate and compare different tools effectively. By the end of this module, you'll be equipped with the knowledge needed to make an informed choice that aligns with your organization's unique needs and objectives. Whether you're a small business seeking to streamline your processes or a larger enterprise aiming to scale your automation efforts, this module provides the insights and guidance necessary to confidently select the optimal marketing automation tools for your business. Next topic of this course is creating and managing customer personas. Creating and managing customer personas involves the process of crafting detailed and fictional representations of your ideal customers. These personas encompass demographic, psychographic, and behavioral characteristics, providing a deep understanding of your audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. This module delves into the importance of persona-driven marketing, guiding you through the steps to create personas through research, surveys, and data analysis. By segmenting your audience based on these personas, you'll be better equipped to tailor your marketing messages, deliver relevant content, and create personalized automation workflows that resonate with different customer segments. Now move on to the next section, that is data management and integration. Data management and integration are integral components of a successful marketing automation strategy. In this module, you'll explore the intricacies of collecting, storing, and utilizing customer data to fuel your automation efforts. Emphasizing the significance of data accuracy and compliance, you'll learn how to handle and protect customer information in alignment with regulatory standards. Moreover, this module will guide you through the seamless integration of various data sources, such as CRM systems, email marketing platforms, and more, with your chosen marketing automation tool. By mastering data management and integration, you'll ensure that your automation workflows are built on a foundation of reliable, up-to-date information, enabling you to create hyper-targeted campaigns and deliver personalized experiences that drive engagement and conversions. Let's talk about email marketing automation. Email marketing automation empowers businesses to engage their audience with timely, relevant, and personalized email communications. In this module, you'll delve into the art of creating automated email campaigns that cater to different stages of the customer journey. You'll learn how to craft compelling email content, set up automated triggers based on user behavior, and optimize campaigns through /B testing. By harnessing the power of email marketing automation, you'll be able to nurture leads, foster customer relationships, and drive conversions, all while saving time and resources. This module equips you with skills to design effective email automation strategies that deliver impactful messages to the right recipients at the right moments. The next section is social media automation. Social media automation within the realm of marketing automation involves using tools and software to schedule, publish, and manage social media posts and interactions across various social platforms. This process streamlines and optimizes social media marketing efforts by allowing businesses to maintain a consistent online presence, engage with their audience, and share relevant content without constant manual intervention. Social media automation tools enable marketers to plan and schedule posts in advance, ensuring a steady flow of content even during non-working hours. These tools often provide features like content calendars, post scheduling, and even the ability to recycle or repurpose evergreen content. Additionally, some advanced platforms offer social media listening and monitoring capabilities, allowing businesses to track mentions, keywords, and trends, which can inform their content and engagement strategies. However, it's important to strike a balance between automation and genuine. While automation can save time, authentic engagement and real-time responses to customer interactions are crucial for building and nurturing relationships on social media platforms. An effective social media automation strategy involves a mix of scheduled posts and live engagement to create a well-rounded and engaging online presence. The next one is lead generation and management. Lead generation and management are crucial components of the customer acquisition process in marketing. Lead generation involves identifying and capturing the interest of potential customers, known as leads, through various strategies such as content marketing, social media campaigns, and webinars. These leads are individuals or businesses who have shown a certain level of interest in your products or services. Once leads are acquired, lead management comes into play. It encompasses the systematic nurturing, categorization, and tracking of these leads as they move through the sales funnel. Lead management involves assigning scores to leads based on their engagement and behavior, helping prioritize efforts towards the most promising prospects. Automated workflows and personalized communications are often used to deliver relevant content and information to leads over time, building a relationship and guiding them closer to a purchasing decision. Together, lead generation and management ensure steady influx of potential customers and optimize the process of converting these leads into loyal clients. Marketing automation plays a pivotal role in streamlining these processes by automating repetitive tasks, segmenting leads based on their characteristics and behaviors, and delivering timely and tailored interactions that ultimately contribute to driving sales and business growth. The other topic is personalization and dynamic content. Personalization and dynamic content are innovative strategies within marketing automation that enhance customer engagement and deliver highly tailored experiences. Personalization involves creating individualized interactions by leveraging customer data and behavior insights to deliver content, recommendations, and communications that cater specifically to each recipient's preferences and needs. This customization enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty by making them feel valued and understood. Dynamic content takes personalization a step further by allowing marketers to create flexible, adaptable content. Elements that change based on the recipient's attributes or behavior. This can range from dynamically inserting a recipient's name into an email subject line to showcasing product recommendations based on browsing history. By serving content that is relevant and contextually appropriate, dynamic content increases the likelihood of capturing the recipient's attention and driving desired actions. Incorporating personalization and dynamic content into marketing automation workflows requires utilizing data insights and automation rules to trigger the delivery of precisely tailored content at optimal moments. This strategy not only improves customer engagement, but also drives conversions by presenting customers with content that resonates with their interests and preferences, ultimately fostering stronger brand connections and driving business growth. Now move on to the next point: analytics and reporting. Analytics and reporting play a vital role in marketing automation by providing valuable insights into the effectiveness of your campaigns and strategies. This process involves collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data related to various aspects of your automation efforts, such as email open rates, click-through rates, website visits, conversion rates, and more. By leveraging advanced tracking tools and automation platforms, marketers can gain a comprehensive understanding of how their audience is engaging with their content and campaigns. Effective Analytics and reporting enable marketers to make data-driven decisions and refine their automation strategies for better results. By identifying trends, patterns, and areas for improvement, you can optimize your workflows, segmentations, and content delivery to align with your goals. Automated reporting dashboards and customized metrics simplify the process of monitoring and evaluating campaign performance, allowing you to measure the impact of your efforts and demonstrate the ROI of your automation initiatives to stakeholders. In essence, analytics and reporting empower marketers to continuously refine and enhance their automation strategies for greater efficiency, engagement, and success. Let's talk about advanced strategies and case studies. Advanced strategies and case studies in marketing automation delve into the realm of sophisticated tactics that leverage the full potential of automation technology. This module explores innovative approaches such as multi-channel automation, behavior-triggered workflows, and personalized dynamic journeys. Through in-depth case studies of successful companies, you'll gain practical insights into how advanced strategies have been implemented to drive exceptional results. By mastering these advanced techniques, you'll be equipped to create intricate and highly effective automation campaigns that seamlessly integrate across various channels and cater to individual user behaviors, ultimately maximizing customer engagement and conversions. As we conclude this comprehensive course on marketing automation, you have embarked on a transformative journey to revolutionize your marketing efforts. From understanding the fundamentals to mastering advanced strategies, you have gained the knowledge and skills to streamline your processes, enhance customer engagement, and drive tangible results. Armed with the ability to create personalized experiences, analyze performance, and adapt to evolving trends, you are well prepared to harness the power of marketing automation to propel your business forward. Remember, the world of automation is dynamic and ever-evolving. Stay curious, keep learning, and continue to innovate as you embark on your continued journey in the realm of modern marketing. Congratulations on your achievement.